That is the only way you're going to get hair growth. Nothing else. This is not necessarily a question as much as it is a statement, a point of view for all of you who are struggling or looking for hair growth. There are no tips and tricks for growing your hair except adopting a regimen that is specific to your texture, like the one that I tell you all and give you for wash and go styling, why it's important, how you can switch it up to a protective style, why it's important to be done properly before you do your protective style. All of those things are the foundation of a healthy regimen, customized, specific to your texture. That is the only way you're going to get hair growth. And of course, getting haircuts every 3 to 4 months. If the looser your texture is, the more you can get. You can go past 3 months without getting a trim. Making sure that you take off less than 1/4 of an inch every 3 to 4 months. And that your regimen is on point. An improper regimen is going to give you no length because the hair, remember, as the hair gets longer, it gets drier. I call this hair down here, or the ends of the hair, I call it elderly hair. It's been there forever. And so depending upon the regimen that is right for you, it will flourish and your hair, the ends will dry out because remember they're older, will dry out and become less fragile because you're doing wash and go styling frequently, because you're a beast with wash and go styling, because you do exactly what you're supposed to do before you put your hair away in a protective style, whether it's how you blow it out, how you prep it before any twist out, blowout, braid out, wigs, weaves, or any of those things. It's how you protect your hair and how you preserve your hair through a regimen that is going to get you length. Nothing else. Stop putting stuff at your scalp and this, that, and the other, thinking that this, that, and the other, or some quick tip is going to benefit your growth or journey to growth, because it's not. There's no way around it. So, good luck. So if you like these videos, I hope that you click like and subscribe and go to hairrules.com for further education and find a regimen and products that are specific to your hair texture, not someone else's. And so every day can be a great hair day. And yeah, see you soon.